Grinding all my life. Who put, are these new AirPods? Apple came out with some new AirPods? Let's talk about it. What up, y'all? All right, so I'm back, man. Back with another video, man. You know, grind doesn't stop. So y'all already know, man, I'm a huge fan of the AirPods Pro. I've been rocking these bad boys right here. Let me go ahead and take them out of my ear. Now, I've been rocking my AirPods Pro that you guys can see right here, y'all, for a very long freaking time. Now, these are custom painted here, so Apple don't make like red AirPods or even black cases, although I wish they did. But nonetheless, y'all, we got the brand new AirPods 3 in-house. These do share a similar form factor like we saw with the AirPods Pro. So let's go ahead and just unbox this bad boy. And we're gonna do a quick little listening test and all of that as well, because I'm very curious if the sound quality is on par with something like the AirPods Pro, because I absolutely love these things, y'all. They're so convenient, man. You can even put these on and wear them on a plane. Now, there is a big difference when it comes to these other than something like the AirPods Pro, but we're gonna talk about that here in a little bit. Now, we have here a little booklet explaining everything. Do we get any stickers? Do we get any stickers or anything? Nope, don't look like we get no stickers. Now, we have the AirPods themselves. Now, one thing, like I said, is I love the fact that they really took the same form factor and shape that we got with the AirPods Pro and just basically put them in a smaller form factor with the AirPods 3. So now you guys can see here that the AirPods Pro is slightly taller than the AirPods 3 that we have right here, which is actually dope because this is gonna make this even more pocketable for you guys to be able to just slide this in and out of a pair of jeans or a backpack or anything like that. Now, I will say it might make you actually lose it, but you know, hey, that's a whole nother story for another day. And then let me just show y'all what else we get in the box. Then we get a USB-C to USB-C to lightning cable. So let's go ahead and pair this bad boy up with my phone here. So let me go ahead and open it up. Y'all already know it uses that same quick chip that we have on the inside, so I can check for an update. Here is what it's giving me. Okay, so we do have an update that I do need to update my phone to. I have to be on iOS 15.1 because it's gonna give us some additional features. Let's go ahead and do this install here real quick. Look, watch it not be quick when I want it to be quick. So for y'all, it's gonna be quick because I'm just gonna cut and edit this, but for me, I gotta sit here and just, I gotta wait on this update. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so finally I got everything updated, man. It took like 45 minutes in order for me to get this bad boy updated, but again, to y'all, because of edit, you know, I just cut it and then we right here back at it again. All right, so let me go ahead and open these bad boys up. Let's see. All right, we got that same quick, fast pairing connection that you guys can see right here on my phone. And then all we got to do is just press connect and boom, AirPods 3 is connected up. So we're gonna go ahead. We got the media controls. Now with these, you do get the same ability to be able to control the media just like you do on the AirPods Pro. So with these, all you have to do is a single press. You're gonna be able to pause the music. You're gonna be able to play the music. Double press, you're gonna be able to skip the music. And then a triple press, you'll be able to go back to the previous track. Now, I will say, now my initial impression with feeling these in my hands, they do have the exact same feel of something that we get with the original AirPods that we've seen in the past. This is something that I do like because I am a fan of the AirPods Pro as far as the design, so I am happy that they did that. But the difference with these is, guys, you're not gonna get that in-ear design. This is gonna be more of like a resting on the ear versus having an actual rubberized tip. With these, let's go ahead and do a fit test. Let's put these in our ears and see how we like. Fit-wise, these bad boys fit really good. I don't feel like they're gonna fall out of my ears or anything like that. Do a quick little, whoa, I just got a little dizzy, y'all. Do a quick little shake test. All right, so let me go ahead and play some music here. I'm gonna play that Meek. Let's go to that Meek Millie. I just wouldn't believe it. I tried to give you all my blessings, but you couldn't receive it because you was listening to people that was listening to people. I had to, because you couldn't even see it. All this fame turned to a mouth. Like Resident Evil. Let me go to that drink real quick. Hold on, y'all. Up in Bron crib, fishbowl, wine glasses. That's how we passing time. 100,000 on the line. At the table praying banker shows, natural 9. Never happens half the time. I losing nice and still a vibe. All right, y'all. Let me take these out of my ears. So, all right. So my impression real quick here as far as the sound quality, y'all. Sounds really good, man. I ain't even gonna lie. It really competes with the same thing with the AirPods Pro. So if it was me and you're in the market for either the AirPods Pro or the AirPods, it really, in my opinion, it comes down to fit more so than the actual design in itself and features, because I feel like you're still getting a lot of the same features as far as skipping forward track, backwards track. Now, obviously, y'all, you're not getting things like the transparency mode, or you're not getting something like noise cancellation on these. But honestly, when it comes to transparency, let's talk about that for a second, because I feel like with these not being in ear, if you're not like blasting your music crazy loud, you can still hear somewhat of the world around you to the point where you don't necessarily need something like transparency mode on these right here. Now, I will say something like noise canceling on the AirPods Pro is something that is like one of those things where it's like either you want to have it or you don't, because I feel like noise canceling mode on the AirPods Pro is so good that the fact that you guys can have these on an airplane. Now, again, this is not a comparison video between the two, because that is something that's going to be coming up here on the channel, but just kind of want to give like my initial thoughts and impressions about these. But so far, man, I ain't even gonna lie, the fit is good with these, as well as the audio quality is really just up to par with the AirPods Pro. So all in all, I think the AirPods 3 is definitely a solid choice. You're still getting the lightning connector here underneath to be able to charge up if you want to plug it in. You got your light indicator status here. If you guys want to see what the charging status is, if you need to reset them, you get the button here on the back. A lot of this is the exact same features that you get on the AirPods Pro. I think Apple did a good job when it comes to upgrading the original AirPods to something like these. So there y'all have it, man. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, first listen, initial impressions with these, and just honestly, man, I think I was wrong when it comes to these, man. I'm thoroughly impressed. These are really good. But yeah, man, if y'all got any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.